So in all my CIS105 classes, I teach my students about the importance of 3D printing and how it's useful for their everyday life. In my specific course, my students use Tinkercad and they conceptualize what they want to design, they design it in Tinkercad, and then they 3D print it. So in the STEAM engine, we use their 3D printers to do this. In a traditional classroom, there's a lot of theory and you just, read your book, but when you bring the resources from the STEAM engine, students are able to actually do hands-on activities, hands-on projects that help them with their learning experience and actually learn the content, the material. So students are able to work in a 3D environment, and many students, this is very new for them as they work in the XYZ coordinates. So a few of them in the very beginning have some difficulties with this, but as they go through the process, they're able to work in the environment and create something really unique that then later they print in the STEAM engine and then they take home. Many students actually learn easier when they have something physical in their hand that they can pull apart or put together. And so by using the STEAM engine resources, students are able to do these hands-on projects that then help with their learning experience. My students have given me really positive feedback with using the STEAM engine resources. They are very excited to learn a concept such as 3D printing. I actually see the excitement when they're getting their physical object, something that they've seen on the computer and now it's in their hands and they can actually take home. Any professor that is interested in using the STEAM engine, just rethink some of your lessons and how you can integrate these awesome resources that the STEAM engine provides into your everyday classroom.